Sherlock's first time getting his shots. Sherlock, you're miserable inside of there, I know. But you gotta go get your shots. And plus, this is Mommy's brand new car. We can't let you pee in it like you did last time. Stop trying to dig your way out of there. It's made out of plastic, not dirt. Don't eat the bars, Sherlock. Sherlock, listen, it's only gonna be a little bit. You're gonna get your shots. Maybe we can take you out somewhere. Stop being like that, Sherlock. You ginormous baby. He's biting my finger, thinking it's a way to get out. My fingers still have bacon grease on them for breakfast. I'm not.
Why was he biting your finger?
No, he's like trying to bite it. Okay, Sherlock, we're almost there. Stop it. We'll make a... Stop it. I know it's tiny, it's cooped up, and you're just a puppy and want to play, but we can't let you out yet.